Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. I actually found a secret consolidation or kind of a secret breakout I don't think anyone is talking about. I want to show you that. It's just kind of a rectangular range. Take a look at the 3-day candles and make this super simple for everyone to understand. Just in case the market's up against a retracement, I'm going to give you a range to kind of focus on. And we do have technical clearance of a specific target above the price over $50,000 on Bitcoin, believe it or not. So we'll get into that. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. Okay, and welcome in our new subscribers. So let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the secret Bitcoin chart here. Shall we? So today's August the 9th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $45,730.30, slightly negative 1.2% for the day. Okay. All right, so welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. Here is the secret Bitcoin breakout. Here it is. Okay, that's it, really simple. Again, ladies and gentlemen, these are the 3-day candles that we're taking a look at. Now, this consolidation range actually lasted, like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, okay, the candles here. Notice this candle, like all the candles within this little rectangular range. Really simple to understand, actually. It happened for 78 days. So I think that's a sufficient amount of time for the market to just kind of break down. Actually, the red circle represents the breakdown at about 43,000. And then, of course, found support at about 30,000. And as of recently here, if you notice this green circle or kind of a weird oval there, the market just broke out of the consolidation range. Now remember, on the channel we go over support, resistance, and patterns, and we also go over fake outs as well, along with a lot of other things. But fake outs are a little bit important as well, because if you find a consolidation range and then you do have a candle's body to break above a specific level, in this case I'm going to consider this as a resistance level, 43,000. We can actually pull it down a little bit more, but let me just kind of pull it down a little bit more. Let me just finish explaining. But when you get a break out of a range, there's something called a fake out, okay? Because on the very next candle, or like maybe there's 2 or 3 candles thereafter, it can actually break back within that consolidation range that you were able to locate. So just kind of be mindful of that. But if you look at the candle closely here, you'll notice that there's a lower shadow below the green candle. So maybe that's actually the sellers trying to push a price back within the consolidation range, and that's their failed attempt. And the next thing that should take place is a really nice rip to the upside. Let's actually get to the targets just above the price. Before we get to that, it looks like the market may want to cool off here in the short term. So just in case the market is up against a potential retracement, there's just kind of a range that I'll leave you out with. So remember when I just pulled the market down just like that, remember we focus on the candles bodies. And if I just kind of circle the candles here, the 3-day candles, again, I'm taking a look at the Bitstamp chart if I didn't mention that. Notice how the candles here at about June the 15th caught a little bit of resistance there. And over here, this little cluster area about July the 30th, kind of that the days leading into and just after there, a little bit more resistance there again until the market broke above that level. So if there is a retracement in the market, just a range to write down, okay? 40,000, okay? Let me kind of get more precise here, like $40,800 up to 43,000. Okay, so like again, like if the market is, the sellers right there, they're in a really bad position. I know some people were shorting Bitcoin down here about 30,000, even like 40,000. Not good for them right now. But if they're trying to get out of some of their positions, and you notice the market having some sort of graceful, throwback is what it's called, when the market breaks out of a specific range and then it goes back down, something like, I'll give you an example here, like it breaks out and then kind of goes back down. I think I already explained that. That's called a throwback, okay? So if you notice a throwback, just take note of the range, and the targets that we have technical verification of is going to be 51,000. Even as high as 53,000. Hopefully we'll leave a link to the video. We recently made a post about Bitcoin going to 53,000. I think some thought we were just kind of saying that to, make clickbait. No, like it's a very strategic number, 53,000. It's all verified through technical data. We're able to see these things through just by looking at like these interesting candlesticks. Okay, so that's the price target here. Let's give this market a good, my go-to 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, let's give it 2 to 3 weeks. If it's staying about that 40,000 up to $43,000 range, expect the market to have a continuation of this really nice thrust, this most recent thrust to the upside. I think there's a lot of momentum in this move here, but just keep in mind, guys, although the market does look really good, and it just kind of broke out of this consolidation range, and believe it or not, it as of recently here did break beyond a descending line of resistance. If I can find my extended line here, it did break beyond a descending line of resistance, so that's actually a really good sign of a breakout, and the market is mature and it wants to really thrust to the upside. But just again, keep in mind, to ultimately make this work, the bulls, hopefully they have a plan, okay, because they must make a new high. We've been saying that, guys. 65,000. Okay, if the market fluctuates, you know, it's actually getting a rejection here, that's fine, guys. As long as it's staying above the range we went over, expect this market to consolidate and rip to the upside. Okay, continue to move higher because of the two factors that we went over. This breaking out of a secret consolidation range, as the title suggests, it's breaking out of that consolidation range. It also just recently broke beyond that descending line of resistance that we all just verified, right? If you can see that. Okay, that looks really good. So those two contributing factors is leading me to believe that although the screen is down right now, you know, it's slightly negative on the screen there, I think that there is still more juice in this move to the upside. Just take note of that range that we went over, potential retracement. Let's see if it's a slow methodic move. That's what we're looking for, that slow methodical retracement to the downside. That represents buying interest taking place as the market is moving lower. Those big drops, no, we're getting like a big drop. No, guys, that's not good. In fact, I hope the bulls have a plan here, man. I really hope the bulls have a plan. We're long Bitcoin, by the way, guys. We're no perma bulls or perma bears, okay? But I think this is the moment for Bitcoin to like truly push higher. Like, don't stop until it at least gets above 50,000, okay? Then and only then is when I would feel comfortable saying that yes, this bull market is about to truly shake up the world, because there's going to be some six-figure digits in this market, guys, in a very short period of time. That's right. Napoleon Macro said it. All right. Everybody was saying this. Not just me, guys. Pardon me there. All right. So that's all I have. You guys have the range 43 up to 40,000 up to 43, as it appears the market wants to retrace now. Technical verification that the market will likely see. I can't guarantee it, but I can say with a very high degree of certainty, 51,000 up to 53,000. Again, hopefully we'll have a link for that video. And that's it. I feel like I said the same thing over and over and over again. So we'll cut out the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully it was repetitive enough for everyone to understand where I'm seeing the market. Rip higher, go higher, okay, if the level holds. So that's the end of the video, guys. So leave an appropriate thumb below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also cover the traditional stocks, if you're into that, 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send you that information when it is available, okay? I truly appreciate your time, guys. Stop it out. Appreciate that. Remember, always be kind. Keep that positive energy flowing, all right? We'll talk soon, and bye for now.